Hi everyone, Gingerbread here. I just wanted to share something tonight. Felt compelled to do this. I broke my wrist not long ago, so I'm not really up to full speed, but my left wrist is weak, so y'all excuse it. But I wanted to share this as a tribute to all of the devastated people that have gone through the awful winter storm, ice storm of Fern, not only in Mississippi but around. And the song was entitled "You'll Never Walk Alone." I thought it was very fitting, and it just, as a music major, it really touches me, and I felt like this is something I wanted to share. There is hope and there's resilience, and even though there's a lot of devastation and they're going through so much, especially those experiencing all the damage and no electricity, and all the people who put themselves out there, the linemen and all of the people who've helped to come to their aid, this is for you, and may God bless you and keep you safe. Hope you enjoy it. May God bless you all. Please keep everyone in your prayers. Thank you.